All right, we're going to do a quick review over treble clef and key signatures reading in the treble clef. So remember space notes, face sounds nice and easy, line notes. I go with even George Bush drives fast. You can make up a different one if that works better for you. But just remember the musical alphabet actually goes in order. So once you find that A, next is B, C, D, E, F. If we had another note up above here, that would be a G, okay, because it just goes in order. Same thing before that, E, go backwards in the alphabet, and that would make it a D, okay? So now we're going to head over to theory, and I'll start this challenge here. So first thing you need to do is always name the note. So if we know that, let's go lines. Even George Bush drives fast. Okay, top line is an F. That means the next note has to be a G. We know it's a G, so let's check the key signature. Over here is 1 sharp. If you have 1 sharp, it is always an F. So if that's over the F, that means that's just a G regular. Good, now we have 3 sharps. So first, name the note. If we know that this bottom line is E, it means the note before it needs to be a D. Okay, so we know its name is D, but let's check key signature. We've got an F sharp, second one is always a C, third one is always a G. Okay, that means it's going to be a regular D. So let me click on it. There we go. Good. Now we've got that same key signature, but let's name the note first. Even George Bush drives fast, which means this is a G because after F comes G. So let's check the key signature. An F sharp, a C sharp, and a G sharp. Ooh, so that means this has to be a G sharp. Now this one is on a line down here, so even George, that means G. Check the key signature. First one's always F, second one's always C. Well, going to be a regular G. We've had that note a couple times, so another G, but it's not sharp this time because there's no sharp up here, so that's a G regular. Good, here's a flat now. Okay, so name the note first. Even George Bush drives fast. So there's an F. Checking the key signature, there's 1 flat. It's on the B line, so it's just going to be a regular F. Another flat. Let's see. Even George Bush. This is a B, and there's a flat. So that's a B flat. Ooh, you can't even see this note probably. But it's way up there. It's a C. So let's check the key signature. It's a B and an E. So that's going to be a regular C. Oh, a low one. Okay, this will be good. We got to work backwards. So we've got an E on the lowest line. Down one makes it a D. Down one makes it a C. Down another one is a B. Down another one is an A because we're just working backwards in the alphabet. We know it's an A. Key signature gives us 1 flat. That means it's a B, a B flat, which means this A is just regular. Okay, now we've got 3 flats. First, let's name the note. If we know this top line is F, means that this is G, then we've got A. Looking at the flats over here, we've got a B flat, an E flat, and an A flat. Now notice, this is on the A space, and that note is on an A line. This flat sign applies to every single A, okay? So this is still an A flat, even though it's technically not on the same space as that flat. This is going for every A. So this is going to be an A flat. Okay, so hopefully that gets you a good start on theory today.